back to my channel. It's Didi and my shoe today. We are going to be making fishbowl slime. If you don't know what fishbowl slime is, basically where you add these beads to make it like a fishbowl consistency. So there's like 3 slimes I haven't made yet. Fishbowl slime, which I'm going to be making today. And then cloud slime and fluffy slime. Well, I did make fluffy slime before, but my dad threw it away because it was too sticky. So yeah, let's just go on. And I made another one before. I was supposed to make this one, but like all the beads were falling out. I was just like, I'm starting over. Because it was like so bad. So let's just go ahead and start pouring in the glue. So yes. And this time I'm going to wait to add the fishbowl beads. I'm just gonna, Okay. So, okay, so. Okay. So you guys, since the blue is a little light, I decided to add some purple. So let's go ahead and add some purple and see what color that makes. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm only gonna add a little bit. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh, gosh, you guys, that's a really pretty color. I'm not gonna add too much though, because I don't want it to ruin my color. Comment down below if you guys know if blue and green make teal, because I honestly don't know. I just heard of it. So comment down below if you guys, because I'd really like to know that. No! Oh my gosh. Too much there. Oh, I got it on the rim. Okay. Okay. Gonna add a little bit more blue. A little bit more purple. Okay, that's good. Okay, now it's time to activate it. So I'll see you guys when I am all done activating. So it's going to be in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's all finished activating. It was like a miracle. Oh, it feels so good. Okay. Now it's time to add fishbowl beads. Okay, I'm really excited for this, you guys. This is so amazing, you guys. I sound like a ghost right now. Oh, it feels like jiggly for some reason. Oh, that would be cool, jiggly fishbowl beads. Oh, but they'll probably fall out because. Oh. Ah. is so amazing. Amazing, but okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cool. So cool. So pretty. Okay, comment down below if you guys like this slime. Because I honestly, I really do. I'm going to put these fishbowl beads away. So if you guys ever want to make fishbowl slime, I found these fishbowl things at Michael's, where the yarn is, kind of on the front and then on the side. That's really cool. Okay, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. See you guys later. And bye. Fishbowl, bye. Bye.